Very good morning traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today let us see the performance of yesterday in crude oil, bank nifty and some other scripture. We have been releasing the videos on the same concept with MST iCore 2.0 premium and basic version. So by default if we select the indicator it comes in basic version. If we want to go for higher version, advanced version, then the only difference is the market type. So here you can see the market type. So this is the only difference with the respect to basic version and the advanced version. So now I'm keeping in default mode, that is the basic version. I'm giving open. Now let us see what has happened in the market. So I'm making into very small speed. Then I'm playing the market. So we know our strategy is 5-line based strategy. So once the market has been opened, there will be 5 lines will be formed. So the fifth line is, that is the middle line. This is the middle line can be used with respect to any price action pattern. Otherwise, if you are a novice trader, just simply wait to market reach to the bottom level or to the upper level. If it is coming to bottom level first, you have to buy at 6151, and if it is going upper side, you have to sell at 6210. Okay, this is the status. This is the strategy that we are following. So again now I am playing the market. So now I have taken two orders. One is buy order at 6151, another one 6210. Whichever triggers first, that side I will trade, the other side I will ignore. So now comes, look at here. Now what is the low made? The low made was 6151. And what's our entry point? That also 6151. The triggered time was at 12:30 p.m. Okay, in the afternoon 12:30 only market has come down to 6151. But when we know this level, when the market has opened 9:15 itself, okay, when the market has opened, we have come to know the entry point and the exit point. So now once the market has reached the buy level, either you can directly wait for the midpoint. What is the midpoint? 6181. It means 30 points profit you will get. Otherwise, you come to the indicator, the mid level, that is the settings. It looks like an engine button. Then come down, come down, come down, and select the first buy targets and disable first sell entry, second buy entry, and enable second sell targets and disable TCP, that is the mid level. Now I know the first target is 6170. So immediately in the next candle itself I have got the target. Then next one. So now I will revise my stop loss to cost, that is at 6151, and I will wait for the second target. So see here the low made again 6151. Once again I have got the entry. My revised stop loss would have got after hitting the first target. Now once again I got the entry. As long as the SL is hit for any entry in a day, that entry is valid. Don't forget to keep the stop loss and target. So all the three targets have been hit. So from 6151 to 6209, all the targets have been hit. So this is how we have to trade. So this is happened on 23rd February. 23rd February. So now that's all. Once the target have been hit, our trading is over. If you want the extra targets, then you can double the targets, where it is come here, and in the select the source for the target calculation, you can keep small targets or normal targets also. So now the ratio will be increased to 1:2. See again in 1:2 also, all the three targets have been achieved from 6151 to 6268. but our stop loss is very small. See, 6151 to 6132, only 19 point stop loss we had kept, but all the targets have been achieved. So hope the strategy is very clear now. Very simple. Once the market has been opened, there will be 5 lines will be formed. If the market is reaching the top level, we have to go for the sell entry. If the market is coming down, we have to take the buy entry. Very simple. So hope the video is very clear. If you have any doubts, please WhatsApp us in the given number 9500009154. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all a happy profitable day ahead.